Yeah.
Hello lilies, and welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new video. In today's video I want to pack a 3K order, which is absolutely insane, and I'm extremely excited for that. But before we get into packing the order itself, there is still one piece that I still need to work on it, which is a customized napkin box. Here it is. So I need to fully customize it. So before we get into packing, we need to get this one done. So unfortunately I ran out of like the spray paint that I usually use to just like paint all the box, and also went out of the gesso to also cover the box with the white coat firstly. So what I'm gonna do is actually using a normal acrylic paint with some water. So we're gonna paint the entire box with the acrylic first with like the white coat, and then we get into the colors she requested. So now let's get into it. As you can see, the coat so far is really pretty good. Now let's get the rest of the box done. Now the basic is ready, and the thing is that I made a mistake and I thought that she really wanted the box to be with the rainbow colors. So I painted the entire box with rainbow colors, which is, I thought, it's just like the matching of the other boxes she has. But then I remembered that she don't want these colors and she wanted to be the same as the Bingwing set that she ordered. So I painted the box all over again with the colors she actually requested, and I just fell in love with it because I really wanted to try like a different colors for the boxes. So this one was the first box with a different color with the texture art specifically. So when I do usually the boxes, I love to customize them from like every single side of it because I really want to make the box really so special. So I started with doing the how to say it, like the up side or the back side first of the box, and decided to go with like plant doodle, if I can say, and some flowers and something like that, but in a different way than I usually do. So I mixed and like the mix the paint together with the same brush stroke, which was super fun, but it took a little bit longer than what I was actually expecting. So basically, I just do the entire thing from the inside with this plant doodle, and for the box from the top, like the back of the cover of the box, if I can say that, it just a few one around it, so I don't want to cover it completely. And I really love it, and I really love how it's turned out, especially because it's a napkin box and it has just like something like a hole on the top. So I just thought I don't need it to be like completely finished. Last thing I wanna add for this box from the inside was a little touch of yellow, because the Bingwing set has that little touch of yellow, so I thought everything will be matched perfectly if I added this little touch, and actually I love it. And then I started added like the texture floral above the box, and here is the final work. I'm so in love with this set, and I'm sure the client will love it too. So before we get into packing, as I finished the napkin box, now it's time to do another thing. Actually do this teeny tiny keychain. So I really wanted to customize something especially for her because her order is really so big. So I really want to just like give her a gift that truly shows my like how I really appreciate her support. So I decided to do for her her like name, first letter, as a keychain with her favorite colors, which is rainbow, and I just like match it with the other things she did. So yeah, I still can see here and there that there still need to be painted again, but I just need to how to say, like draw over it for now, and just like do it for her on the both sides, and then we're gonna just like fix the rest. Let's get into it now. So now the first side is done. Now next is the other side, but let me just like wait until it's completely dry. So here's how it's looked so far. I still need to absolutely varnish it and put some like resin above it to make it like shiny and thick. So let's varnish it and complete it later on. So this is the 3K just like total items, and there is still a few more stationery I need to add for her, but this what she have like the original pieces that she has ordered. So I'm super excited to pack all of these. So I started to bag every single piece and make sure that it's completely secure, because every single piece has like a different texture and different finish. I don't really need them to be like anyway damaged or something. So I make sure that every single piece is actually completely secure with the bubble wrap, and before I just like put them all into one box. And to be frank, this was the most boring, if I can say, part, because I don't really love to just like keep wrapping everything. I love to just like put them all on the box and put the stationery and things like that to make the packaging actually look more beautiful. But it's actually a must, and I really needed to do this because I want the package to be completely secure. Finally, the boring part is done, and now it's time to just like put everything onto one box. I hope the previous part was not boring for you and you just like find it something satisfied to watch. The box actually is literally huge, and I was just like super nervous because I'm really worried to put all of these artwork into one box and like ship it, because I don't know, it's just like kind of stressing me out, but at the same time makes me feel so happy and excited. So I wanted to add for her more like of how to say like a few more gifts, which is I add like some sticky notes, washi tape, notepad, and the keychain as well. So I just really wanted to add as much goodies for her as possible, so I added even like a sticker, magnets, and everything else. Last thing we have here to add is actually the certificates of all the original pieces that I had already made for her. So I just sent every single piece with an like a certificate of it. I really want to say thank you so much for just like watching, and thanks a lot for the customer who ordered this package. It truly was a great thing to just like pack all of it, and I'm extremely excited for her to just like receive everything. Thanks a lot for watching, and I truly hope to see you on my next video soon. Love you all so much. Bye.